Welcome to Phonics Foundations. I am so excited to start this journey with you. Today, we are going to learn a secret code that will help you read almost any word you see. Let's take it step by step. Reading is like having a secret key to unlock the whole world. Phonics is the very first step. Today, we focus on the building blocks, vowel sounds. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify all 5 short vowels with ease. Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Wemi. In this course, we are going to master the 5 short vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, and U. These little sounds are special because every single word needs at least one. Let's get started together. Vowels are special letters that make words come alive. Short vowels are the quick, clear sounds you hear in the middle of words. Think of them as the heartbeat of every word we read and speak. Our very first sound is short A. It makes the ah sound, just like when you open your mouth wide. Let's see how Sam the cat uses this sound in our first story. Listen carefully for that bright ah sound as I read. Sam is a cat. Sam sat on a mat. A rat ran past Sam. Sam ran after the rat. The rat ran fast. Sam sat back on the mat. Did you hear it? Cat, mat, rat, ran. They all have that wonderful short A sound. Great job. Next is short E. This sound is a bit quicker. A, like in the word egg. Let's visit a red hen in her nest and listen for that short E sound together. Ready? Here we go. A red hen is in a nest. The hen gets fed. The hen rests. The hen is happy in her nest. Hen, red, fed, nest. Those are all short E words. Can you feel how quick that sound is? Just a little A. You are a natural. Now, let's look at short I. It makes an I sound. Imagine a little pig digging in the dirt. Listen for the I sound in pig and dig as we read our next story together. A pig digs in the dirt. The pig digs and digs. The pig finds a stick. The pig is glad. Pig, dig, stick. There is our short I sound. It is a very thin, high sound. You are doing such a great job. We are moving right along. Next up is short O. This sound is round, ah, like when you are at the doctor and they say, ah. Let's see what happens to a frog near a hot pot. Listen for the ah. A frog hops to a pot. The pot is hot. The frog stops. The frog hops off. Frog, pot, hot, hop, stop. Short O is everywhere in this story. It is that round, open sound we love to hear. We have reached our final vowel. Short U. This sound is like a little Imagine a bug stuck in some mud. Let's see who comes to help the bug in our very last story of the day. Listen for the A bug is in the mud. The bug is stuck. A duck runs to the bug. The duck helps the bug. The bug has fun. Bug, mud, stuck, duck, fun. Those are our short U words. What a wonderful way to finish. Let's recap one more time. A for cat, E for hen, I for pig, O for pot, and U for bug. You have just learned the 5 most important sounds in the English language. You are becoming a reading superstar. I am so very proud of you for following along today. Remember, practice makes perfect. In our next lesson, we will dive even deeper into the short A sound. Until then, keep practicing and happy reading.